A villager had a donkey. He earned his living by transporting goods from place to place on that donkey. One early morning, he loaded the donkey with salt and set off to the town. A stream ran across his way to the market. As the donkey walked through the stream, he slipped and fell down. A good deal of salt was washed away, and the donkey felt light. The donkey thought it was quite a good trick to make the load light. Next morning, Shiman again loaded it with salt. The donkey played the same trick and got light. The master saw thought the game and made up his mind to teach the donkey a good lesson. Now, on the third day, he put a bale of cotton on the donkey. The silly animal tried the same trick once more, soaked with water the salt cotton lord